Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sandy Escapes. Today, I'm highlighting one of Spain's best beaches, Playa de la Victoria. Before we dive in, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Playa de la Victoria is a stunning and renowned beach in Cádiz, Andalusia, Spain. Spanning over 3 kilometers, it's one of Europe's largest urban beaches. The golden sands and calm waters make it a favorite for both locals and tourists. Known for its high water quality and cleanliness, it's perfect for swimming and water sports. The beach is famous for its breathtaking sunsets over the Atlantic, creating a romantic ambience. Nearby, the historic city center of Cádiz offers numerous museums, monuments, and cultural sites, making it an ideal base for exploration. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.